Hello, myself Jobin Johnson, registration number URK19CS1034. So today I'm going to explain you the third experiment of System Software and Compiler Design Lab. So our experiment aim is to write a program to simulate the function of macro processor. So means our input should be this one, hash define add this one, and our desired output is should be like this. Okay, so let's move to our code. So hmm, So what I have done is I have taken the RE regular expression library. Then I have taken all the inputs to print macros and macro replace macro parameters and token count. And I have created for extracting the parameters, I have created a function. And for printing the output, I have created a function. And right now token count is 0 and input line I have taken the input and I have separate extracted the means the input through the RE function means the RE that regular expression uh, library, and this here this will convert all this into a list as you can see here. And here if the condition is this condition is for the blank lines, if the length of the tokens is equal to 0, then it will in that print to print that I have created the empty array, it will append that it will add that value here. Then here is the ending condition. If I write end, then it will stop and it will break from this loop. And here is a macro definition. Here in this condition, if I am checking if the length of that count is greater than 2 and if the tokens index 0th value is hash and tokens first index value is defined, then the token count is incremented by 2 and macros in the array it will be appended the tokens value. And here after that I have incremented the token count value. Then and here I've extracted the token as you can see through using extract parameter as I have defined here that extract parameters here. So all this will after this if the tokens value is open bracket, then the token count will be incremented by 1. Then I will replace through join statement. Okay, here as you can see, if the uh, right after this condition is if the value is close bracket, then it will means take the last value as you can see here. Okay, and it will append the value inside this macro replace array, and it will append that inside this to print will in this the input will be appended. And here if macro is replaced, this condition is used for if that token is present in macros, then macros index is taken and the token value is incremented by 1. And here as usual I have extracted the parameters as using the function that I have created above the extract parameter. And if the length of the parameter is equal to this means the length of this macro parameter, the macro parameter. Okay, so if it's true, then this condition will work. Means this if the condition is true, then the string this will work. Okay, so I will show you through the output. Okay, one second. So I will run. So I will define hash, define what's the input. Hmm. Hash define add f x equals to x by x. Then okay. Okay. And what's the function? Yeah. add a value here. So as you can see, I got the desired output here. I call this function here. So I got it the value a equals to a by a by a. So that's the output here. As you can see, macro expansion is the macro expression. I hope you understood. Thank you.